Welcome to Math Guru Inc. Today we'll be looking at polygons. A polygon is a simple closed 2D shape bounded by line segments. The number of line segments will determine the name of the polygon. Now, the first set of polygons that we're going to look at is triangle. Now, there are several types of triangle, such as acute, equilateral, isosceles, obtuse, right, and scalene. Now, earlier on I mentioned 2D. 2D simply means two dimension. So therefore, a polygon only has length and width. Now, let us look at the properties of a triangle. All triangles have three angles. The sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. All triangles have three sides. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. The difference between the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is less than the length of the third side. The side opposite to the largest angle is the longest side of the triangle, and the side opposite to the smallest angle is the shortest side of the triangle. Now guys, I'll give you 3 seconds to tell me the name of the first triangle that we're looking at. Okay, if your answer is isosceles, then you are correct. Now let us look at why it is called an isosceles. Now, these triangles are categorized based on the length of the sides or the angles given. So in this case, this is called an isosceles because the legs are equal. So we call these the legs side. So if this is 8 meters, then this is 8 meters. Also, the base angles are equal. So if this is 70 degrees, this is 70 degrees. Alright, triangle number 2, I'll give you 2 seconds. If your answer is equilateral, then you are correct. Now, this is called an equilateral triangle because all 3 angles are equal. So this is 60, 60, 60. And all 3 sides are equal. 5, 5, 5. Alright, here we have another 2 triangle. I'll give you another 2 seconds to tell me the name of that triangle. If it is acute, then you are correct. Okay, an acute angle, all 3 angles measure less than 90 degrees. So therefore, this could be 30, this could be 85, and this could be 65. Our 4th triangle, again I'll give you a second to think about it. Obtuse, if that's your answer, then you are correct. At least one angle measure more than 90 degrees. So let's call that 110. And this could be 30. And this could be 40. Alright. Now let us look at the final 2 triangles. Triangle number 5. And again, I'll give you a second. Ding ding. If your answer is right triangle, and this triangle, most students will readily figure this one out because of this little box, which indicate that that angle measures 90 degrees. And in a right angle triangle, at least one angle measures 90 degrees. So this could be 30 and this could be 60. Our final triangle, triangle number 6. And I'll give you a chance again. And if your answer is scalene, then you are correct. Now, scalene, as it suggests, the scale is lean. All angles are unequal, all lengths are unequal. So this could be 10 meters, this could be 8 meters, this could be 6 meters. And of course, if this is 45, this could be 80, and this could be 55. Alright. Now the next set of polygons that we're going to look at is quadrilaterals. Again, we look at the prefix quad, means 4. So it's any shape with 4 sides. And here we have a few: rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezoid, square, and a kite. Of course, we're going to look at the properties of a quadrilateral. All quadrilaterals must have 4 sides or 4 edges, 4 vertices, and guys, remember, a polygon is made up by line segments, so that's one line segment. Wherever the line segment meets, outside we form the vertex. Singular, vertex, plural, vertices. On the inside we have the angle. An angle is formed. The interior angles of a quadrilateral will sum up to 360 degrees. And guys, all quadrilateral have 2 triangles. If we should bisect these 2 shapes, we get 2 triangles. And the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. And we have 2 triangles, therefore we multiply by 2, we get 360. Now the first quadrilateral we're going to look at is, you guess, a square. Now what do we know about a square? A square has 4 equal sides. A square also has 4 equal angles, and by putting these boxes, you already know that it represents 90 degrees. Opposite sides in a square are parallel, so this is parallel to this, and this is parallel to this. Alright, next we have a rectangle. What do we know about a rectangle? A rectangle has 4 angles, which measures 90 degrees each, and it has 2 pairs of parallel sides. So therefore, this is parallel to this, and this is parallel to this. Alright. Now, what type of quadrilateral is that? If your answer is trapezium, then you are correct. Or trapezoid, your answer is correct. Trapezium and trapezoid, there are 2 terms used by the Americans and by the British, but they are virtually the same. Now, what do we know about a trapezium? This trapezium has one pair of parallel sides. Now, this does not have any parallel sides, but it is a trapezium. Next, we have, some persons will say a diamond, but it is a rhombus. What do we know about a rhombus? A rhombus, guys, has equal length, and it also have opposite sides are parallel. So this is parallel to this, and this is parallel to this. Okay. Now, a rhombus is a displaced square. If you look closely, you'll realize that it is a displaced square. Also, in a rhombus, opposite angles are equal. So this is equal to this, and this angle is equal to that angle. Our final shape is a parallelogram. Again, what do we know about parallelogram? Opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. So this is equal to this, and of course this is equal to this. Opposite sides are parallel, so this is parallel to this. Okay, and again, a parallelogram is a displaced rectangle. Our final polygon, or quadrilateral, that we're looking at is a kite. Now, what do we know about a kite? What do we know about a kite? This side is equal to that side, and this side is equal to that side. Okay. Opposite angles also in a kite are equal. The angles formed with the pair of lines, so this and this one meet these two, form these two angles which are equal. Alright, and if you should bisect this kite, wherever they meet, form a 90 degrees. Let's recap, and I'll give you 2 minutes. You can pause the video and complete. You can pause the video and complete. You can pause the video and complete. Answer key to check your answers. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, the joy of math is hidden in the answer.